Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by matching leader strength to fish and lure. Choose 2060 lb steel for most predators. Once you have swivel, crimp sleeves, cutters, and crimper, measure 12-24 inches and cut, leave extra for a secure crimp. Next, strip a small 1/4 inch of coating or untwist the tip so wire seats in the crimp. Then thread sleeve, swivel, and double back the wire through the sleeve. Make sure the loop size is appropriate for your snap or knot. Once the loop is formed, seat the crimp 3/6 mm from the loop base and keep the wire overlap even. Use a 2-stage crimper if available. First squeeze to set, then fully compress. This prevents deformation and slipping. After crimping, visually inspect for fractures and pull test with a controlled force about 50-75% of rated strength to confirm. If desired, slide heat shrink over the crimp, or add a tiny drop of adhesive to reduce movement and corrosion. You finish by progressively testing the connection, pulling firm but controlled to 50-100% of the leader rating. Trim tag ends to 1/3 mm and smooth any burrs to protect braid. Once done, attach lure and rotate the swivel to remove twist. Make sure to rinse and dry steel after saltwater use. If a problem appears, like slippage or broken strand, replace the sleeve and recrimp or cut back to undamaged wire. That quick action prevents lost fish and tackle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.